Pinoy baiting is a marketing strategy used by creators to attract Filipino audience and fans. Pinoys are completely embracing me. I think that Pinoy baiting is a real thing. Now, I can talk about myself, you know, like it's obviously not an honest reaction. At the beginning of this channel, I had no idea that I was gonna do reactions about Filipino content. Then one day, you know, one Filipino just asked to do a reaction about, I think it was 𝓐𝓷𝓂𝓼 or Morissette Amon, right? And I was just like, hey, what do I have to lose, right? I had no idea that it was going to be this massive thing. And that video blew up. Like it got maybe 50,000 views in like maybe a week. And we were like, whoa, what is going on, you know? And I saw a clear difference between the Filipino community and the North American community when it comes to views. If he follows his father's footsteps, it will be okay because of what his father built.
Susundan niya ng ano yan, ng yapak ng tatay niya. Maganda naman, dahil unang-una, yung mga pinagawa rin yan.
Educational system, I would like to
greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not to speak straight, but I'm just adjusting.